5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 over crest, turn unseen square left, don't cut. 280. Turn tight hairpin right, uphill. 100. Long flat crest, 120. Turn one left over crest. Opens long, tightens turn one left over crest. 300. Flat 6 right long, into 5 left. 120. 5 right long, tightens 4, slow 30, turn square left, don't cut. 30, turn square left, don't cut. 150. Flat left, 80. Right of a crest, slow 30, turn narrow 3 left, 30, turn tight hairpin right, into turn don't cut square left, 50, turn tight hairpin right, don't cut, 80, turn square right, into turn one left, don't cut, opens long, narrow, into 6 right, 300, slow 6 right of a crest, don't cut, into turn square left, 30, turn one left, opens 80. Crest, 30, turn unseen hairpin right, 80, turn hairpin left, 40, flat crest, 150, flat middle of a jump, 50, 5 left, into 5 right, into 6 left of a crest, 80, keep middle of a crest, 60, narrow 4 right tightens, into turn 3 left, 80, keep right, into turn 2 left tightens, 30, turn hairpin left, 150, keep middle of a crest, 60, turn narrow 3 right tightens, into turn tight hairpin right, 80, flat left of a crest, 200, slow, keep left of a long crest, 30, turn hairpin right. Opens 4 right of a crest, into turn hairpin left, don't cut. 80. 6 right of a crest, very long, tightens 5, 30. 4 left long tightens, opens 30, turn, don't cut 2 left, 180, turn unseen, 4 right of a crest, 50, 6 right of a crest long, tightens 4, slow 30, turn sudden square right, and turn square left, 80, 6 right long, 70, turn unseen hairpin left. Into 6 right, 70, turn hairpin left. Opens flat of a crest, 100. Slow crest into turn square right. Opens 140. 6 left long, 50. Turn 1 right of a crest. 100. Flat left in dip and jump maybe 50. Turn square right. 50. 6 right long, opens of a crest, into slow, 5 left long, tightens turn, don't cut, 1 left. 80. Turn unseen, 1 right of a crest, tightens, 200. Long flat crest, 100. Turn unseen, don't cut hairpin right. Into 5 left long, 50. Slow turn unseen, 1 left, don't cut to the crest. Into flat right. Into 5 left long of a crest, 40. 6 right long, 120. Slow 6 left of a crest into turn, 2 right tightens narrow. 80 over crest, turn unseen, turn square right, don't cut. Into 5 left long, opens 150. Crest into 6 right, 140. Caution crest, turn, don't cut square left. Opens 50 over crest, turn hairpin right. 50. 6 right, turn unseen square left. 50. 6 right of a crest, open slow 30, turn unseen 1 right. 3 left, opens, keep right of a 50, turn unseen, tight hairpin left, don't cut. 50, crest into turn square right, don't cut. Into 6 left of a crest, 50. Turn unseen square left, don't cut. 50. Over finish. 2 left long, tightens to stop. Well done.